Ready to see what everyone's raving about? These viral Amazon home gadgets are taking over for a reason. They're clever, fun, and make everyday life ridiculously easy. From smart fixes to satisfying must-haves, each one brings a little wow to your routine. You can find every product linked in the description below. Bring golden hour indoors with this color-changing sunset lamp. It projects vibrant, customizable hues that instantly transform your room into a dreamy, photo-ready space. Whether you're setting the mood for a party, relaxing after a long day, or snapping aesthetic pictures, it delivers that perfect soft glow anytime. With app and button controls plus a 180-degree rotating head, you can shape your own sunset. No timing required. This underwater drone is like having your own personal submarine. It dives deep to capture stunning 1080p footage, letting you explore the underwater world right from your phone. The built-in lights illuminate every detail, while the app control makes piloting super intuitive. Compact, portable, and perfect for travel, it's an incredible way to film, stream, or just discover what's hidden beneath the surface. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt without lifting a finger. This smart floor cleaner has two powerful modes that tackle sticky messes in a single pass. Perfect for tiles, marble, laminate, and mosaic floors. Its ultra-narrow three-sided edges reach corners and tight spots that normal mops miss. One click starts hot water washing and hot air drying, leaving your floors spotless and fresh without any lingering smells. Hair or debris? No problem. A clever brush scraper keeps the roller clean, and the front wheel design makes pushing and pulling effortless. Upgrade your bathroom experience with a smart bidet toilet that does it all. Its sleek one-piece design and elongated bowl give you extra comfort and room to sit. Choose your flush with a dual option, light for quick use or full for a deep clean. The stainless steel wand offers adjustable spray, pressure, temperature, and oscillating modes, keeping you perfectly fresh every time. Hands-free seat and cover, self-cleaning wand, and a gentle mist before every flush make hygiene effortless and worry-free. Now you can keep an eye on your furry friend from anywhere with this 360-degree smart dog camera. It rotates to follow your pet's movement, streams live HD video, and even lets you toss treats right from your phone. The two-way audio lets you talk and listen, while motion and barking alerts keep you updated in real time. It's like a personal nanny just for your pet. Here's a smart way to stay active without ever leaving your chair. This under-desk elliptical quietly keeps your legs moving while you work, watch TV, or relax. With adjustable speeds, forward and reverse motion, and smooth, low-impact movement, it's perfect for improving circulation and flexibility. The remote and LCD screen make it effortless to control, and its compact design fits neatly under any desk. Keep your pets hydrated and happy with this sleek stainless steel water fountain. The continuous flow keeps the water fresh, while the 5-stage filtration system removes impurities for clean, safe sipping. Its large capacity means fewer refills, and the gentle LED light helps your furry friends find it even in the dark. Quiet, durable, and easy to clean, this fountain makes hydration effortless and stylish. Here's a compact cleaning tool that punches way above its size. This mini sponge mop is perfect for quick cleanups on desks, counters, mirrors, or even your car interior. It absorbs spills fast and lets you squeeze out water with just one hand. The lightweight handle and replaceable sponge heads make it super convenient, while the compact design means it stores easily anywhere. Small, but seriously effective. Crumbs, dust, or pet hair, this mini desk vacuum handles it all in seconds. It's cordless, lightweight, and small enough to keep on your desk or toss in a drawer. Just pop in a couple of batteries and sweep away dirt from your keyboard, car seats, or countertops. Quiet but powerful. It's the little helper you'll reach for every day to keep things spotless. Turn your favorite memories into instant keepsakes with this pocket-sized photo printer. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you print colorful 2x3-inch photos anytime, anywhere. No ink cartridges needed. The prints come on sticky-backed paper, perfect for decorating journals, laptops, or walls. Lightweight, fast, and mess-free. It's a fun way to bring digital moments to life wherever you go. Peeling tiny fruits just got effortless with this automatic grape and tomato peeler. Simply load your ingredients, press a button, and it handles the rest. No more slippery mess or wasted time. It works perfectly for grapes, cherry tomatoes, or even garlic, removing skins gently without damage. Cordless, rechargeable, and easy to clean. It's a clever kitchen gadget that makes prep work quick, safe, and totally hands-free. Bring the spa to you with this 4-in-1 smart cupping therapy massager. It combines dynamic suction, soothing heat, and red light therapy to melt away muscle tension, stiffness, and soreness in minutes. You can use it on your back, arms, or legs for quick relief and improved circulation. The smart breathing mode mimics traditional cupping without the fire or hassle. It's portable, rechargeable, and perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Stay hydrated wherever you go with these collapsible silicone water bottles. They fold down small enough to slip into any bag, then pop back open when you're ready for a drink. Made from BPA-free silicone, they're safe for both hot and cold beverages. The leak-proof design keeps your gear dry, and the lightweight build makes them perfect for travel, hiking, or the gym. Practical, reusable, and planet-friendly. Day or night, your patio just got an upgrade. This solar-powered LED umbrella brings shade by day and a soft glow by evening, thanks to 32 built-in lights powered entirely by the sun. A sturdy steel frame keeps it steady even in windy weather, and the tilt feature lets you adjust the shade as the sun moves. The fade-resistant fabric stays vibrant all season long, making every outdoor moment feel effortless. Tea time just got smarter. This stainless steel tea diffuser looks like a tiny pipe, but works like a charm. Just fill it with your favorite loose leaves, dip it in hot water, and watch the flavor unfold through its fine mesh holes. The built-in hook lets you hang it neatly on any cup or teapot. It's reusable, mess-free, and gives you a perfectly smooth brew every time. Need a digital detox? This clever lockbox helps you take control of your screen time. Just place your phone inside, set the timer, and it stays locked until the countdown hits 0. No cheating, no shortcuts. You can still charge your phone inside thanks to the USB port, and the silent mode keeps things discreet in public. Compact and portable, it's the perfect tool to reclaim your focus and peace of mind. Meet the lamp that does it all. This sleek LED desk light not only brightens your workspace, but also wirelessly charges your phone while you work. It's got a built-in clock, alarm, and temperature display, so you stay organized without cluttering your desk. You can adjust brightness and color temperature to match your mood or task. Fold it up when you're done, and it's ready to go wherever you need it. Level up your desk setup with this wireless charging RGB mousepad. It's not just massive, it's multifunctional. You can power your phone while you play or work, thanks to built-in fast wireless charging. 10 colorful lighting modes set the perfect vibe, whether you're gaming or grinding through emails. The smooth surface keeps your mouse gliding effortlessly, and the non-slip rubber base ensures everything stays perfectly in place. This isn't just a fish tank, it's a mini world for your desk. A USB-powered aquarium that doubles as a digital clock, calendar, and even a temperature display. The built-in water cycle keeps your fish happy and the air fresh, while soft LED lighting adds a calming glow. It even plays gentle nature sounds for extra relaxation. It's part decor, part gadget, and totally mesmerizing to watch. Some beds are just for sleeping. This one is a concept, a glowing hypnotic idea that turns your bedroom into a retro-futuristic dreamland. Imagine a bed with soft, swirling lights like a lava lamp, blending sci-fi style with luxury comfort. You can picture sinking into it while the colors dance all around you. It's more than a bed. It's an experience, even if it only exists in your imagination. Who's at the door? You'll know instantly with this smart wireless peephole camera. It replaces your old door viewer with a sleek color touchscreen that lets you see, talk to, and record anyone outside. Even at night, infrared vision keeps everything crystal clear. Human detection alerts you only when someone's really there, and the long battery life means fewer recharges. It's your front door, made smarter, safer, and way more convenient. Brew tea your way with this smart electric kettle. Connect it to an app or use voice control to set the perfect temperature. The infuser keeps leaves in and lets you brew tea, coffee, or heat water easily. 4 precise presets make it perfect for any drink. Fast heating, LED display, and 2-hour insulation keep your water ready anytime. It's simple, convenient, and perfect for busy mornings or relaxing evenings. If you're guilty of bringing your phone everywhere, even the kitchen or bathroom, this gadget is a total game changer. It uses UVC light to sanitize your phone from every angle, killing germs without heat, chemicals, or mess. Just drop it in, close the lid, and it disinfects while charging. You can even toss in your keys or earbuds for a quick clean. It's effortless hygiene done right. Your pets are going to lose their minds over this one. This smart rolling toy moves on its own, bouncing and spinning around like real prey, keeping cats and small dogs endlessly entertained. It even pauses after playtime, then wakes back up with a single paw tap. Durable, rechargeable, and self-cleaning, it's the perfect boredom buster that keeps your furry friend active, curious, and happy all day long. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.